You need to discover the magic of this simple blend. It helps boost willpower and leaves you feeling totally refreshed. Hi, I'm Terry from Simply Earth, where we love teaching you how easy it is to make your own natural products at home. Today, we're making the Balanced Breeze Diffuser Blend, a citrusy, uplifting aroma that helps you stay focused and balance cravings naturally. Everything you need for this refreshing blend is inside the DIY Bath and Spa recipe box. And when you subscribe, a new theme box will be delivered to your door each month. Plus, you'll get a free big bonus box, and it's packed with must-have oils and DIY supplies. And if you're not ready to subscribe, no worries. You can find all of these ingredients at simplyearth.com. A lot of candles and air fresheners are packed with synthetic fragrances that don't actually support your well-being. This blend is made with real essential oils. No junk, just pure goodness for your space and your mood. So turn off distractions because making is healing. So let's make Balanced Breeze Diffuser Blend together. So here's what you need for this recipe. 1 drop Peace and Quiet Essential Oil Blend. This promotes calm and balance. 2 drops of Coriander Essential Oil, which brings a sweet, spicy boost to willpower and mental clarity. And 2 drops of Lime Essential Oil. It's refreshing and energizing. And 1 drop Bug Fighter Essential Oil Blend deodorizes and energizes your space. And of course, a 5 ml amber glass bottle, perfect for storing your master blend if you want to make it ahead. I'll be using the Simply Earth Rose Diffuser. Look how beautiful this is. Let's mix it up. 1 drop of Peace and Quiet, 2 drops of Coriander, 1 drop of Bug Fighter, and 2 drops of lime directly onto your diffuser according to its instructions. Or if you want to save time, grab a 5 ml amber glass bottle from your big bonus box and add 17 drops Peace and Quiet, 33 drops of Coriander, 33 drops of lime, and 17 drops Bug Fighter. Swirl gently to mix. Now you have a ready-to-go blend you can use anytime. Let's label it so you always know what refreshing goodness is inside. Clean, citrusy, and so calming. I feel like I can take on anything now. And if I can make this Balanced Breeze Diffuser Blend, you can make this too.
So now it's your turn. When you make this recipe, take a photo, share it with #IMadeThis, tagging From Simply Earth for a chance to win a $100 gift card and be featured.
Want this fresh, focused feeling? Well, grab your DIY Bath and Spa recipe box from Simply Earth today. If you love learning simple, natural recipes, be sure to like, subscribe, and check out more DIY goodness coming right up. Thank you for watching.